how to restore your progress in Rodeo Stampede. So it is an easy process. So in Rodeo Stampede, so once it loads, it will load through your what do you call it, your Google Play Games. So make sure you create a Google Play Games account, and then make sure it is opened by those that Google Play account, because it stores your progress. So once you're in the game, you can simply go ahead and find out Google Play Games in your device. So in Google Play Games, what you'll have to do is you'll have to find out your profile icon towards the top. That's the account that has, or the in your profile section you'll be able to find your account which has got the progress of the game. So you can check your account in your profile section, and then once you go ahead and you can transfer your progress to another device by logging through this same account, and you can restore your progress into your game if you like log in through the same account or same profile. So once you go ahead open the Rodeo Stampede by using the same account, you'll be getting your whole progress that is restored in the Rodeo Stampede. So that's for the video. It's easy. Thank you.